everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com, and today we are making a party favorite, coconut shrimp with the best dipping sauce. These are crisp on the outside with sweet, crunchy coconut and plump and juicy on the inside. They always get rave reviews. We'll start by setting up our breading station. In the first small mixing bowl, thoroughly beat together 2 eggs. In the second small bowl, stir together 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. In the third shallow bowl, add 1½ cups of sweetened shredded coconut, breaking up any clumps. Then mix in half a cup of Panko breadcrumbs and stir until combined. Arrange your bowls, placing the flour bowl first, then the egg bowl second, and the coconut bowl third. I'm using 1 pound of large raw shrimp that have been peeled, deveined, rinsed, and patted dry with paper towels. Working with 1 shrimp at a time, dredge in flour, shaking off the excess. Then dip it into the beaten eggs, coating well and letting the excess drip back into the bowl. Finally, coat the shrimp in the coconut mixture. Press the breading onto the shrimp to help it stick. Repeat with the remaining shrimp until they're all coated, and leaving the tails on helps with the breading process and can be used as a handle when serving the shrimp. Once they're all breaded, you can refrigerate them for later or saute right away. And we are way too excited to wait. Place a large, deep pan over medium heat and generously coat the bottom of the pan with oil about 1/4 inch deep. Once the oil reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit, add the shrimp one at a time and saute about 2 minutes per side or until golden brown on both sides and the shrimp is pink and firm. Once they're done cooking, transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to soak up any excess oil. Cook in batches so you don't overcrowd the pan. And if you see any large coconut flakes in your pan between batches, spoon those out so they don't burn. I cannot wait. Look at these. They are crispy, so fresh, and they are really good warm. So we're gonna hop right into this taste test. I'm just gonna transfer these onto a pretty blue serving platter. And before we do this, I am gonna show you the most amazing coconut shrimp dipping sauce. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so, and I'm totally serious, it's 2 ingredients. We have sweet chili sauce and apricot preserves. Equal parts of both. So start with 1/4 cup of apricot preserves. All right, and I usually just eyeball it. You can't have too much sauce. Okay, and this sweet chili sauce is really mild, not spicy, so it is kid friendly. My kids love this sauce. Looks about right. Okay, and give that a good stir. All right, until it is smooth and combined. And it's important to get an apricot preserves that don't have the big pieces of fruit, otherwise it'll be harder to dip. Okay. Okay. Now, we are ready for this taste. Oh, wait, whoa. The lime. I almost forgot. Very important. A fresh lime squeezed over fried coconut shrimp is so good. It just adds this pop of flavor and freshness. Oh, man. Just give it a good squeeze. All right, a generous squeeze. I am so excited right now. Okay, here we go. Dunk. All right, that's a lot of sauce, but I'm telling you, you guys are gonna fall in love with this dip. It's amazing. Okay. It is party time. Oh, I love that crisp coating of coconut and breadcrumbs. Oh, it's just so crunchy and satisfying. And then the succulent shrimp inside, so tender, plump, and juicy. Seriously amazing. And then the sauce, I'm just gonna do the double dip because nobody else is watching. It is sweet. Again, not spicy at all. It is perfect. Just wanna get as much of it on there as possible. Seriously, this is delicious. Make these and they will always disappear fast. Oh yeah. And these freeze and refrigerate really well, and they crisp up again in the oven just like fresh. I hope you guys love this recipe and that it becomes a new favorite for you. If you enjoyed this, give us a great big thumbs up below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. If you're looking for more delicious recipes that scream party time, check out some of our all-time favorites right over there and right down there, and click below to subscribe. And when you do, make sure you hit that little bell icon so you get notifications every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you next time.